Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really good. Today I'm going to show you how you can make ragi flour at home. If you see that the store-bought flours, if you see the packet behind, it's always mentioned that it has been made in some facility that they also make wheat flour. So it's not 100% gluten free. So here I'm showing you an easy way that you can make ragi flour at home. All you need to do is you need to buy whole grain ragis, then you add water into it. Now what you have to do is you have to make sure that you wash this really well. First few washes the water will be a little darker, and the third wash it will become plain like the regular water look, so it's not going to be dirty. So you have to make sure that you've done that. Once that is done, you take a muslin cloth and then you add all the ragi grains into it. Now in this process, make sure that you remove all the excess water. So just keep that in mind. Make sure that you remove all the excess water. So I've tied my muslin cloth really tight so that all the excess water has come out. And once you tie it in this bowl, I've squeezed the excess water outside, and then after that I'm just going to throw the water and put this muslin cloth, cling wrap it, and keep it over at least for 2 or 3 days till the sprouts start coming. So you have to make sure that the sprouts start coming. So now you can see I'm going to throw the water. But one tip that I used is you need to keep checking every day, the open the cloth and see if the sprouts are happening. If they're taking time, just make sure that you spray a little water, keep it a little moist, and then you can see within it takes maximum 3 days, but it starts sprouting. So that is very important. You need to sprout it. So after now I've keeping this aside, and then you can see after 2-3 days the sprouts have come. This is how it will look, and just now empty it in your tray, and then after that air dry it. So you need to air dry it. This will again, depending on the weather, take 1 or 2 days. So once it's air dried, all you need to do is put it in a mixer, and then after that we are going to blend it. So this will help us to make your ragi flour. So some people say that the easiest method is get the grains and take it into the mills and all. But if you see even in the mills, the flour mill, you'll always see there's somewhere wheat flour also being happening process. So that's why if you are someone who has gluten allergy, you can try this method to make it at home. It's a little time consuming, but it's very easy. So now you can see that the ragi flour is ready. I've sieved it, and if you find any other particular, like it's not sieved, or any particular particles are left, just grind it again and you will get this beautiful ragi flour. So do try this recipe and let me know if you liked it.